How you doing? Good, good. All right, so I'm back with another question. If you want to email me your question, there's a link up here in the link tree, or you can just DM me. I'm getting to them as quickly as I can. All right, so this question comes from Sarah in Cincinnati. Wow, Cincinnati. Okay. And her question is, Dr. Fran, recently my partner has said that he cannot continue to give me an allowance. Every month he gave me an allowance to take care of my beauty and some of my necessities. But now he's saying that he cannot do that. I only work part time because that is what he suggested. And now I'm finding myself a little fearful about what I am going to do. Any suggestions that you have to manifest and create money would be great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. All right, so this is a very good question because here it is again. We are learning that a man is not a backup plan. I'm going to say that again. A man is not a backup plan. As women, we should have our own. You should have your own money. And anything else that anyone else decides to give you, that's just icing on the cake. So if somebody decides to give you an extra $100, $200 to take care of things in your life, that's just icing on top of everything else that you're doing for yourself. Money attracts money. So when you start thinking about ways to create and manifest money, it's taking the things that you do best and monetizing on them. So you said you have a part-time job. What other things can you do to create income? What else can you do? And you need to sit down with a pencil and paper and you need to be clear about those things. There are so many ways to make money and there's so much money in the universe. Don't be falling for the propaganda that there's no money because there's a lot of money. Here's the thing. People who think that there's a lot of money and that they can have a lot of money have a lot of money. People who think, oh my God, we're not going to have any money, I'm going to be broke, don't have no money. Pay attention and focus on what you desire for your life. How much do you need to live a month? How much do you desire to have to live a month? For me, I want to live in overflow. So everything that I do creates overflow. You have to affirm those things over your life. I am a wealthy woman. Everything that I touch turns to gold. I am prosperous. Everything prospers me. I have access to all the money that I desire. Everything is working out in my favor. And everything that I need comes to me easily, effortlessly, quickly. I am never without a thing. There is no delay in my abundance. You have to start speaking things over your life, right? Don't be focused on, he's not giving me any money anymore. He's not giving me any money anymore. What am I going to do? You're going to let him keep his money and you're going to create your own. You can do this. And maybe if you feel a little overwhelmed, which is what I'm feeling just from reading this email, you should just start small. Start small. Start doing things like if you know that you're good at something, start there. Do it small. Offer it to a few people. See if it catches on. If it does, go bigger and go bigger. You can support yourself. And as a woman, you definitely should be able to support yourself because, I'm going to say it again, a man is not a financial plan. All right. I hope this helps. Bye for now.